Welcome back to another one, guys. Just leaving Georgetown now, just past 8 in the morning. Found a genuine fruit and veg shop. Picked up like 3 kilos worth of fruit and veggies. 2 kilos of bananas, potatoes, carrots, oranges, and an apple. Pub was closed last night. I found a shop that was open, just got some tinned tuna and had tuna sandwiches for dinner. A lot of people have been talking about getting some flour and trying to make some damper, so I'm going to give that a go as well. Yeah, I've got about an 80k ride today to Gilbert River and then on to Croydon from there. Should be a good day. It's pretty warm. It's going to be 30 degrees. Should have a tailwind again today, so hopefully we'll get there at a more reasonable time than the time I got into Georgetown. Fingers crossed. About 20 k's down, just stopped here at this Cumberland chimney site. It's a big old chimney here, and there's a few dams around which are ex gold mine apparently. Righto, about 40 k's done for the day. Banana, orange, bread and honey. 4th banana of the day. 20 k's to go. It's hot. Good country. Not as much water in the Gilbert River as I was hoping. More of a collection of pools than a river. I picked up some flour when I was in town there at Georgetown. I've just got this container. It's about half full of water. I might tip a bit out, and I'm basically just going to add some flour, shake it up, and try and make some kind of pretty thick sort of pancakey kind of mixture. And then we'll fry that up in the pan and see how it goes. If I can get like a flatbready kind of thing, I'll be happy as. That was pretty good, pretty happy. It was a bit, probably too thick. That was 3 or 4 loads of flour, and then I shook it up. It took a while to cook, so I reckon the way to do it with them would be just a batch maybe 3 or 4, and then stir them in my bags and I can pull them out for lunch. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Just trying to get out the sun for the moment. Been in it all day. Clear skies, no clouds, 30 degrees. Feel shriveled. Not bad. Well, good morning. It's about 7:30. I slept without the fly on the tent last night, and I had a great view of the stars. It was incredible. Saw a few shooting stars as well. I'm all packed up now. I'm ready to go. I got another 73k day to Croydon, but my body is sore. My legs are sore. My knees, my ass. Pretty ready for a day off in Croydon, I think. Let's get there first, and we'll decide then. Just sat at this truck stop about 30 k's in, almost halfway, 33, 34 k's in, and some guys just pulled in to use the bin. and he chucked this whole fresh, well, not fresh, but loaf of bread in the bin. I'm like, mate, what are you doing? I'll take it. Hasn't even touched it. Just bought a fresh loaf in town. Free bread. Happy man. Finally getting into Croydon. Today's been tough. Bloody tough. Need me a beer. Need a beer. Cheers. It's about 2:30 now. Just having some sardines on toast. Bread courtesy of old mate. At the caravan park now as well. Having a rest day tomorrow. Having a rest day tomorrow. Morning. Still cannot believe this guy was throwing this bread out. There's nothing wrong with it. Having some toast, some honey for brekkie and some coffee. Got a few things I need to do today. Go to the post office, send some stuff back to Sydney. I need to find some water, solution to carry some water. Maybe, I don't think there's going to be much available in the town, but we'll go have a look, we'll figure something out. And then hopefully I can catch barramundi in this dam and have barra for dinner, which would be pretty good. Just been to the shops, get some food for the day. All this cost me $37. No prices for anything. Picked up a pawpaw. Yep, pretty good. $17 for a bloody pawpaw. First cast. Let's see how we go. No fish for dinner. Unfortunately, I am craving meat, but the world's most expensive pawpaw will have to do.